We begin tonight with one of the many challenges of navigating health care. If you've ever had to take your child to the hospital or undergo a major procedure yourself, you know that it's not always easy to understand what your doctor is saying. And for Spanish-speaking families, those conversations can be even more challenging. In Colorado, at least 22% of people identify as Hispanic or Latinx. And according to the latest census, here in Denver, that's nearly 30% of the population. Your reporter, Jasmine, joining us live now from Children's Hospital tonight. And Jasmine, doctors understand how important it is to speak the same language.
Well, it's especially critical now, Kelly, which is why Children's Hospital Colorado wants the community to know about this program that's offering bilingual consultations and medical guidance.
At Children's Hospital Colorado, Dr. Diaz-Miron is making sure families with limited English skills still get the care they need.
I know firsthand that it can be challenging to make that jump from one language to the other, especially when you're dealing with kids and when you're dealing with a stressful situation.
This clinic is a lifetime goal for the doctor, who grew up in Mexico, a way to better serve the Hispanic and Latinx community.
I think that it takes one layer of stress off the parents when you can actually explain to them something that may be a little more complicated or a little more stressful.
Parents like Oscar Perez, whose 13-year-old son, Emiliano, was dealing with digestive issues.
When
we found out the doctor spoke Spanish, that was great because we could express to him the issue we had with our son.
He's happy knowing he didn't have to ask his son to translate. In this case, Oscar could be the parent.
As a parent, you want to be able to communicate with your doctor.
30% of the families visiting the hospital identify as Hispanic or Latinx, and nearly 10 of those need a translator.
Even with a translator machine, it gets hard because sometimes things are confusing. It's better to have direct contact with the doctor.
For Oscar, he was happy to learn his son would not need surgery and thankful he could talk with the doctor directly.
Well, the clinic is held several times a month at two locations, one here at Anschutz Medical Campus and another at North Campus Broomfield. Live in Aurora, Jasmine Arenas covering Colorado First.